Greetings. Manifesting is for special people. I've heard many people say that over and over again when they fail to manifest the things that they desire in their life. And the reason for that is because many a time they carry around a lot of doubt, fear, guilt, shame, condemnation, and many other negative traits that is blocking them from manifesting the desired life that they would like to experience on this planet. For example, I would have worked with people and teach them this principle, and they wanted to manifest certain things in their life, but they hold to the old limiting beliefs, especially if they were raised to believe in secular Christianity that is pointing them to look outwardly. Okay, and when they never manifest anything, they turn around and say like it is for special people. I've had people say to me, it seems like I am special and I am more mystical, and that is why I could manifest things. But I'm saying to you that all of us have the same one power. There's one universal consciousness, and there is only one power. There isn't two power. Okay? You see, it's like you having a coin, and the coin have a head and it have a tail, but it's the same coin. That's how the mind is. You see, you can either dwell on the left hemisphere of the brain, or you can dwell on the right hemisphere of the brain. Also, you can learn to think for yourself, or you can get yourself buried in conformity. You see, we all were raised to conform to the norms of society and to hold on to the traditions of society. And so many people live their life and they never really know that their true identity is their divinity. That is why they continue to live their life and look outwardly for a Lord, a Savior, or some Redeemer to come and save them. But I'm saying to you that you can manifest the ideal life that you would like to live on this planet if you understand a few good laws, like the laws that governs all of humanity and the laws that governs the universe. They are universal laws. And if you would understand the secret of the universe, whereby it's based on energy, vibration, and frequency, you would realize that many people have been wasting their energy focusing on the wrong things in life. For example, many people argue about sports, many people argue about politics, many people argue about religion, and when they do that, they're actually wasting their energy. You see, everything must be an investment. So you have to invest in your time, how you use your time, and you have to use your time wisely. What are the things that you are listening to? What are the things, the conversation you're getting yourself into? All of these things will mean how you would live your life, and it will affect the results that you're getting in your life. But you can become a deliberate creator, a conscious creator, and manifest the ideal life that you so desire. If you would take responsibility for your thoughts and your actions and believe that thoughts become things. You see, we become what we think about most of the time. So whatever you're focusing upon, that is what will become your reality. But I'm saying that there's hope, because you can change your mind and live your life whichever way you want it to be. You see, when you read in the Bible where it speaks about the pattern in Jeremiah 18, the pattern is speaking about the power that you have in you that you can use to shape and mold and remold and reshape. That is why you're told not to be conformed, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. The reason for that is because the Bible is actually a book of mind science. And once you understand it's a book of mind science, whatever result you want to experience in life, you have to shift your mentality to give you that result. You see, we are spiritual beings living in a body, and we vibrate on frequency. Therefore, everything that you will ever desire in this world, it exists on a certain level of vibration and a certain level of frequency. So you have to vibrate to that frequency to attract it in your reality. Once you understand this science, which is the science of alchemy, and you start to work with that science, you can change your life whichever way you want it to be. And your yearly salary could become your monthly salary. You see, many people do not know that because we were raised to chase after money. So most people, when they learn about manifesting and they learn about the law of attraction and so on, they go after money. But the real thing is that you're here to serve humanity. So your aim and your desire must be about service. How may I serve? What can I give? Okay, we are born with gifts, we are born with talents, so you have to know why is a gift, why is a talent, and you give of that. That's why you're told to give first. That's the first principle. Okay, concerning receiving. It must be done first by giving. So give, and it's going to come back to you in good measure. Pressed down, shaken together, and running over. Men will give into your bosom. Okay? But most people think this giving have to do with religion and going to church and all of those foolishness. Okay? But you are here to discover who you are and to know your purpose. You see, every one of us born in this world with a different fingerprint. Even if people born and they're twins, even if they're identical twins, they still have different fingerprint because we all have a purpose. So your purpose is not just to wake up every day and go to a 9-to-5 job. No, it's more than that. Okay? I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. But while you're doing it, if that is not what you have always wanted in life, and it's not giving you all that you really want, and you want more in your life, I'm saying to you, you have to seek. You have to seek to know why some people are millionaires, while some are multi-millionaires, while some are billionaires. You have to seek to know why some people are rich and why some people are poor. You have to seek to know why some people might be making $10,000 a month, while some people might be just making $1,000 a month. So you have to do some searching. You have to do some seeking. And then when you do that, you will find what you're looking for. Okay? Because you will find people like myself and many others on the internet who's teaching you how to create the ideal life that you so desire. Okay, so when it comes to manifesting, everyone is actually manifesting. But most people are manifesting unconsciously. But we are teaching you how to manifest consciously by understanding how the mind works. By understanding that imagination creates reality. By understanding that it is your own thoughts that is creating your reality and creating your personality. That's what they really mean when it says, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. It is telling you, as you think in the invisible world, which is the world of your non-physical self, which is the mental and spiritual realm. As you think in the mental and spiritual realm, because you're a spirit and you're having a human experience. So spirit is a true essence. Okay, and you communicate through thoughts, and those thoughts are thought frequency. Okay, so as you think from your non-physical self, so shall you experience the result in this physical three-dimensional world, this world that you can contact through the 5 senses. So once you understand that, you would realize that manifesting is not for special people, and it's not just special people that manifest their ideal life. You have to understand self-discipline, and self-mastery. And you have to start by loving yourself, believing in yourself, and embracing yourself. You must always start with self. You see, when you realize that there's no one to change but self, there's no one to blame but self, you'll never blame a devil. Because you realize that the devil is a negative, stinking, dirty thinking. Okay, it's your negative side of existence. So when people read about God and the devil and they think it's two powers or two entities outside of themselves, they are deceiving themselves, because you're the one who can think positively or you can think negatively. You can live your life creatively or you can live your life destructively. You can see the result people are getting in their life when you see them being incarcerated and put in a prison for doing the wrong things. If those people really learn how the mind works, they will do better. And as I come to a close here, when you hear preachers say that the devil make me do this or the devil make me do that, they're just looking for a scapegoat, a way to escape. But I'm saying to you that you have to be responsible for everything that is happening in your life. That is why if you believe what I'm saying to you and you start to put it to work in your life by practicing meditation daily, practicing visualization daily, practicing scripting, affirmation, whichever one you choose, you could use, you could do all of them, you could do some of them. Those that works best with you, you do them and you practice those things and you see how your life will change. Also, find yourself in isolation. Do it for at least about, say, 30 days. Find yourself in isolation. Stop all the negative thoughts that come to your mind and try to be positive. Think positively. Find time to read. Do all of these exercise and you will see how things will change in your life. You see, just as you will exercise your body to be healthy and strong, so you have to exercise your mind. So my brother, my sisters, anyone can manifest the ideal life that they would like to live on this planet. But you have to learn to believe in yourself. Most people believe in a man in the sky instead of believing themselves. I'm saying to you, everything is within you. As a matter of fact, God is the very life that is within you. So stop denying yourself, okay? And be the best version of yourself on this planet. So with that being said, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me what I'm saying, if it really makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And I will also encourage you to get my latest book, which is called The Secret Vagina, Mystery of the Virgin Birth. It's where I'm teaching you how you can bring forth from the psychological and spiritual realm. You can bring forth your brain child without the instrumentality of a man. You see, most people only see bringing forth on one level only, which is just on the physical level. But you are a physical being, a psychological being, and a spiritual being. Okay, so you have to vibrate on all three levels, but most people only vibrate on one level. Also, I'd encourage you to get Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, plus my many other books like Meditate to Eradicate Poverty, Your Mood is Your Fortune, and so on. Okay, also I have some journals. Make sure to check them out. They are all available on Amazon. Also, if you are not a part of my Patreon community, I'm definitely encouraging you to become a part of my Patreon community and support this work. And for those who are willing to donate $20 or more, I have a course for you that's called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. You see, self-concept is power, okay? And it's very important, first of all, that you know who you are. I see when it comes to the inner sun science, I'm teaching you that the sun parallels, the sun as in the S-U-N, it parallels the human imagination, and the human imagination parallels the sun. For without the sun, there's no life and there's no light. And without the human imagination, there isn't anything made that was made. And you're told that the Lord thy God is a sun and a shield, and no good thing will he withhold from you. The sun has never withhold its energy from all of humanity. So why should you withhold your energy that you're supposed to use to manifest, to solve humanity. Okay? So, my last encouragement to you is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.